Honor 90 and Honor 90 Pro, a new era of smartphones. Honor, a Chinese smartphone manufacturer, has recently launched two new smartphones, the Honor 90 and the Honor 90 Pro. These smartphones are equipped with 200-megapixel cameras and 120Hz OLED displays, making them a great choice for photography enthusiasts. The Honor 90 and Honor 90 Pro feature a sleek design with curved OLED displays. The displays are 6.7 inches in size and have a refresh rate of 120Hz. The displays are also equipped with up to 1600 nits peak brightness and 3840Hz pulse width modulation dimming. The Honor 90 Pro has a slightly larger display at 6.78 inches. The smartphones are equipped with a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 50-megapixel selfie camera. The Honor 90 Pro also has a 32-megapixel portrait telephoto camera. These cameras are perfect for capturing high-quality photos and videos. The Honor 90 and Honor 90 Pro are powered by 5000 mAh batteries and support 66 watts and 90 watts wired charging respectively. This means that you can charge your phone quickly and easily without having to worry about running out of battery. The Honor 90 and Honor 90 Pro are currently available to order in China. The Honor 90 is priced at Chinese yuan 2,499 for the base 12GB and 256GB RAM and storage configuration. The phone is also available in 16GB and 256GB and 16GB and 512GB variants, priced at Chinese yuan 2,799 and 2,999 respectively. It is available in 12GB and 256GB RAM and storage configuration that's priced at Chinese yuan 3,299, along with 16GB and 256GB and 16GB and 512GB variants that cost 3,599 Chinese yuan respectively. The Honor 90 and Honor 90 Pro are great smartphones for photography enthusiasts. They're equipped with high-quality cameras and OLED displays, making them perfect for capturing and viewing high-quality photos and videos. The phones are also equipped with large batteries and fast charging capabilities, ensuring that you never run out of battery. If you're looking for a new smartphone, the Honor 90 and Honor 90 Pro are worth considering.